welcome back to my channel. So today is rare postings. I'm going to share to you my magnet souvenir from around the world, maybe. Okay, so just ignore this picture of my brother. So I don't know, since one day my friend collected fridge magnets from different country, made me inspired to collect them too. So I have it from London, Taiwan, Japan, Bali. I got two of it. So one is this type and one is this type. Then Australia, I have two also, the koala bears, and the other one is this. Then the other one I have is this from, I think it's from Italy. This is from one of my friends who worked as a steward. So he flies around the world, and yeah, he went to Italy and get one for me. I think this is, one of their monuments over there. Then I have two from Berlin. Then Thailand, I have three of them. This is from Krabi, Bangkok, Phuket. Okay, then Japan, I got two of these. This from Hokkaido, and the other one is this type. Yeah. Then what else did I miss out? Okay, I think these two are from Turkey, if I'm not wrong. Then Taiwan. Then this from Malaysia, Penang. And these are from Hong Kong. And from Singapore, I think I missed out one. This is from Korea. I think this is I love you in Korea. Okay. Then this from Singapore, I have two of these. One is from the Wings of Time Sentosa. It's a liquid. There's inside, there's like a liquid magnet over here. Then, and one I got this from the, if I'm not wrong, the Istana Museum. So this is, I got it from there. Then that's all I have, the magnet. Although I don't go to all these countries. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. This is from Maldives. This is also from a friend of mine. Yeah. So all these magnet, actually I don't go to the country, but I have friends, colleagues, family members who go overseas. Then I say I just don't want anything else but fridge magnets from their country, from its country. Yeah. So I think I would like to collect more of these. And anyway, hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.